Your broke mom doesn't have money for a nice gift? Who cares? The rich stepmother has a lot of cash. Oh, they are both so nice. I'm hungry, Mom. Enjoy your meal, Michelle. It's not much. Are we on a family diet again? Adam, we're out of money, as usual. It's all your fault. What does it have to do with me, Sue? Parents are at it again. Seriously? Stop fighting already. But today, the parents are serious. Go away, Adam. I never want to see you again. And take your stuff. But every cloud has a silver lining. Hello, sweet angel. Are you all right? That should be enough to compensate you. I'm Megan, by the way. Want to go for a walk? I would follow you to the ends of the earth. Goodbye, Sue. And being broke. Michelle's new stepmother is crazy rich, and she always eats really fancy food. Here we go. Michelle, will you pass the salt, please? What? I can't hear. Say again? The salt, I said. Oh, there's a better way. Hello, do you copy? Michelle, pass me the salt. How does it work? I don't understand. All right, time for plan B. Hello, Michelle. Pass me the salt. Hello. I can't hear you. It's time to turn on the microphone. Salt. Michelle, I need salt. Why are you yelling? I can hear you just fine. But it's a long way to go. Will this table ever end? Here's your salt. Thank you. You can go eat now. And the way back is even harder. Phew, I can't wait to get to the food. But unfortunately, lunch is already over. It's time for the servants to clear the table. It turns out that you can go hungry even with a rich mother. You'll have to go home if you want to eat. Mommy, can you believe it? I can't even eat her food. Poor girl. I'm going to give you something yummy. The poor mother's fridge isn't full, but she can't let her child go hungry. It's so nice to have the neighbor's vegetable garden. Let's go harvest. Are you with me, Michelle? But we are going to have to work together. The plan is simple. One of us can distract him while the other one takes the vegetables. Mr. Johnson, look what I drew. Nice work, kiddo. That's good. Everything's going according to plan. Mr. Johnson, there's a shooting star. Make a wish now. I can't see anything. Just a little more and dinner will be packed. Michelle is a born actress, but it's already time to get out of here. Bye, Mr. Johnson. It's time for my lunch. Oh, I almost forgot my masterpiece. Hey there, Michelle. Phew, that was scary. But you can't stay mad at her. She brought something as usual. This is for you, Michelle. Wow, golden tickets. Probably to a superstar's concert. Not a minute to lose. This place is awesome. When does the show start? I can't wait. Michelle, look, the performance is starting. Where? I can't see anything. It's not a concert. It's just an opera. What a disappointment. But Megan is thrilled. She has such weird taste in stuff. Oh, don't fall asleep. Michelle, get ready. The best part is coming. Oh no, do this without me. Good night. How long is this concert? Michelle has just enough time to sleep.
Hey.
Are you bored, kid? A good mother knows how to entertain her daughter. What? More tickets? Michelle won't survive another opera. Honey, I promise it'll be fun. Follow me. We're here. How about a scooter ride? Doesn't sound so good, but since Mom wants to try it, hold on tight, Michelle. Let's go. Turns out the scooter is fun. Even adults like it. But we're not done yet. There are also shopping carts. Buckle up and let's go. But don't forget the rules of the road. And before bed, you'll get an interesting fairy tale. Today was such a fun day. The rich stepmom knows a lot about shopping. Megan is really good at it. Treat yourself, sweetie. I want that bear. He is so adorable. adorable! Michelle, come on! This toy is not good enough for us. We need a bigger bear. What do you think? No, absolutely not. Give us the biggest bear. Oh, this is heavy. Now let's go to the cash register. But it seems Michelle already found the toy of her dreams. The rich mom can have the huge bear. Sue likes to go shopping too.
Hey.
But she doesn't have enough money. Mom, look at this! A robot dog! I want it! Oh, please! Honey, it costs a fortune! We can't afford it! Okay, Mom, I understand. But I can't just leave you empty-handed, sweetie. We have to think of something. I'll make a robot toy all by myself. Teddy, this is your time to shine. Done! Michelle will love it. Honey, I have a surprise for you. A robot bear. It's so cute. Oh, thank you. Let's test this out. Oh no, we blacked out the whole neighborhood. Spending time with Megan is always so nice. What's she looking at? Wow, that's a fashion magazine. Everything in there is so beautiful. It's like a totally different world. And Michelle only has this old dress. But with a rich stepmother, that won't last for long. Sweetie, close your eyes. This is all for you. Do you want to try it on? Who could say no to that? I am so beautiful. Like I'm on the cover of a magazine. Thank you. You can't expect expensive gifts from your broke mother. Oh, my skirt ripped. Aw. Don't be upset. We'll fix it. Are we going to buy new clothes? Oh no, this is going to be way more interesting. That's a pretty patch. You can't see it at all, right? Thank you. You are a real hero. The things you do to make your daughter smile. Introducing your boyfriend to your parents is so stressful. Mom, this is Ryan. How about we get something to eat? Oh, yeah, sure. I've got some yummy stuff stashed away. Help yourselves, lovebirds. Pumpkin, you know I'm not hungry at all. Some other time. Well, as long as everyone's full, why don't we look at our photo album? Oh, no! Michelle's just a baby. We don't have a camera, but I'm not bad at drawing. Do you have to embarrass me like this, Mom? And here's the whole family. Although our family is gone now. Oh, those pictures are so sad. You stay here. I'll be right back. Michelle's mom is so weird. But we haven't even gotten to the best part yet. Ready for a concert? I want to see you dance. Mom, don't! Stop! But Michelle won't stop. She's in character. Let's rock, kids! Michelle, why don't we go for a walk? That's the best idea I've ever heard. Too bad Michelle didn't appreciate her mom's creativity. It's Mother's Day at school. All you have to do is introduce everyone to your mother. Obviously, Megan is the perfect candidate. Hi, everybody. My mom is rich and beautiful. See for yourself. Oh, yes, I am. Michelle and I are best friends. Nobody needs the broke mom today. Wow, this homewrecker is signing autographs, too. That's horrible. But I could use some money. And nothing lasts forever. Excuse me, will you let me copy? Talking to school bullies is useless. Mom, help me! Did somebody say Mom? I'm right here. And Megan is ready to stand up for her daughter, too. Take that, you monster! And don't you ever come near our girl again. Sweetie, are you all right? Yes, Moms, don't worry about me. Well, maybe Megan isn't so bad. She's a pretty good mom. Let's be friends. Which mom did you like better? Rich Megan or broke Sue? Tell us in the comments. Did you like our family story? Then give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. Don't miss all the fun stuff on Troom Select.